the BBA mount. Yeah, she told me yesterday, friend Abusa. Also, oh, me the BBA ma shabo crowning MCB nearby. And you know be the coin. And you be the choir. Uno be the choir, and you know be the coin. Oh, boss. Uno be the choir, and no be uncle. Oh, Shabo, answer the question. Uncle na choir, and no be the coin. Now, who answer question? Answer question. Boss. Hey. And no necessary. And no, uno be the choir, and you know be the coin. Reverend for cancer deal. Church member pa who try trust no one go. Yo. I be fight check as here so come Emmanuel Mauga. Dependable Tisalomo CS New. Much good morning. And I feel good morning Kasiapa. You more ding come Jaji. Charities for us. Good morning when you're more comedy Junction. DJ Lion, I want to say the highest paid DJ na Chimoda Charlie Ofe quality fashion more liberty entrance wa government hospital Madam Maggie, Madam Vera and our face on Najwa. Good morning and call Enfamamo. Now to other taxi drivers, David, Apasco, Rauf, MP3, and Comastag, Obama, Ricardo, Sanko, and Obatampa, Jonathan. Right, and then I'll be back to my mission. I'm in the prayer. Right, so a happy birthday and fan command Ram Akrigu Gertrude Charlie is it Akrigo Anna Akrigu anyway, so happy birthday and fan command Ram Akrigu Gertrude oh yeah Suhun Charlie no only 3 DVR Masa, in India, we also bonny what they say now. Uncle, your problem, yeah. I mean, since we be happy birthday and come Eram, Akrigo, get through. Charlie. Masa, your friend said the tree didn't say happy birthday and come on. Why? Oko school Kibi Presbyterian College of Education. And I shall wait for what you know. Eram, mewa, Akrigo, Gertrude. No, me the one and pass me boni. Akrigo. Today. I Gertrude in America. Me the one, Akrigo. Akrigo. Okay. And so once again, happy birthday and come Eram, Akrigo. Gertrude, Oye Suhum, Oye students, Oye Kibi Presbyterian College of Education, Oye every obesity, MC say upon, was a happy birthday and fan come out. Now, you have quite a daily dose of motivation, so now for any counselors waiting come here on 93.3 FM. So wherever you are, good morning. My mama feel like we answer my call. Now, I go to a pair. A makumaku enum. One I bet my born home day at Tonkusia. So we are interested about your friend 0593 346 557 0593 346 557. Nah, bruh. I face a job opportunity. Abama Baba for. This unim tea na ope juma my pacho Shannon so say baby I die free the here say unim tea and fresh 0246 889 320 0246-889-320. Na brush say ya now fee. You hand you over shop on informal. Also three na property neat. So what you say. It's a fella na me dem ma woni ni. Ma me fa bako emboss informal. Na am pretty simple gra. Don Cool Ventures. Don Cool Ventures. Now Don Cool Ventures. I watch more than me patcho natural kwine Sunny Star Plaza Bruns and I my Jubilee Hospital kwine in Ponzo. And some who do be our mutombi alcohol. And there alcohol any monso no benye bi wo ho. After ba na kasa precum product nso a. Benya P Don Cool aswe. Alombo K20 Black Rock Tonic Wine happens to dry gin. Braille Don Cool Ventures. Na be pay to friend 0555-486-990 0555-486-990 and 0556-252-668 and then the counselor ever share conflict resolution in marriage and relationships. How do you resolve your issues in your relationship? You and your partner, how you resolve your issues? How you and your partner you do resolve conflicts. I know how people they resolve them at home. Oh, I just back up and just how it is. Anyways, your preference.
The mid-morning show. The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day. The mid-morning show. The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day. The mid-morning show. The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day. The mid-morning show. The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
Automatic man no charger. Fucking on the bed and in a sofa. No more love, good innocent face, but when me creeping on the bed, disaster. Love you now and after, 'cause you the only one I see. Who you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You're so amazing, amazing, yeah. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You're so amazing, amazing, yeah. Squeeze a little thing that makes you tight, tight. But your body tickling like a tack. Oh gosh, she climbing on the mountain, jigging on your fountain. Ooh, she's a smooth operator with a little bang bang, and when she give me the, I just want more. So make we bust a little sweat with your leg, but me just and when you do it, girl, you it one more. Oh, girl, you going crazy, take it slow. Oh. Now she out of control. Yeah. Not if you do anything you say, yeah. I got you, girl, and you got me too. You and I together, the two of we forever. You are.
The mid-morning show. The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
You're so amazing, yeah. You are.
Hello there, this is your favorite girl, Ami Anna, and you're listening to Papa Na Cost.
You're so amazing, yeah. Well, so give me a reason where you bad for. In the road, but ready to go slap it harder. Automatic man no charger. Fucking on the bed and in a sofa.
Right, so 56 after 10.
Innocent kids, but when me grip it.
This is a DJ rhythm. He calls this one Rhythm of the Gods.
You're the only one I see.
And this is Jupiter, the 5-star general. He calls this one You and I. Beautiful song, beautiful lyrics. You and I. Baby girl, you are so amazing. You are so. I mean, the word make I put for there.
Amazing, yeah.
We skating be that. Again, I don't can bro fuck say that they are really did the same today. The episode change as open. Madam for baby confirm. Anyway, she corner for a daily dose of motivation from bro, yeah. Young crash them. And then it's a bit serious issue for me. The motivational message. Me, my fan personal. Yes, and I hope you also I'm going to take it very personal because they're very necessary. These things we had to come talk about are very necessary. By a Color Studios and they go to embroidery. Color Studios and they go to embroidery at Daroma and Tina Yade and Crash System Ebrel. Now, I'll pay Color Studios brand and chain. I'll be count for me. Pay videos. I feel bad and tardy and so I'm printing tardy mamo. Jamaica no office no. More company no. So I'm printing tardy mamo. They are Color Studios and they go to embroidery and I obey my any papa be change so their mamo. But you much like watch more than Liberty Transport opposite to Honoma or cannot pharmacy opposite to and I'll be home Color Studios and they go to embroidery. It's last year and for corner bomb and discount was so now me feel some more jacra. So still now people are still going and bomb and discount no. And to call Color Studios Koyan Tardy and print or power body. So to our 0245276638. Oh, your ban up be makeups and so now warring up your makeups and so much. Me pa chocoha, be Vanessa. Oh, one side, not just be a coso 0245276638. Come to this year. Now to the daily dose of motivations, young crash Shasman no pay. About 10 years, I see if you are a teen or an adult. Don't joke with the choice of life partner you settle on. Let your heart, your mind, soul, and feelings see, think, and feel beyond looks. There are loads of crucial things that don't meet the eyes when you are desperate. Don't joke with red flags. Deal with it. Ewa pamba misi subi umau. Menya bo trainer fi ma breaking it down the amount. We e koma obi bia. Enti ose so ya kwara ana we penny. Don't joke with the choice of life partner you settle on. Any power person in a bobra ko wie no. Be pa cho se u be choose ya enfan di agro. Don't joke with the choice of life partner you settle on. Let your heart, mawakoma, wadring, nipedria feeling. Send ya who your man, and send out drink. You need to think beyond looks. Friends, you are not person in the bobra. Oh, wait, do I come on, I'm person in the bobra. Any more do come on, and one me pay. Oh, wait, or your bullet girl. Oh, man, I'm a bullet girl. What's that for? Aha. Oh, wait, the 9 and I can't cry bullet girl. No one, I'm person in the bobra. What we are trying to tell you this morning is that do not joke, do not joke with the choice of life partner you settle on. Because Abrabowe and Casanwa Bebre Ashiasie, Oba, and Abema or money on try. Oba be on a try and a mouse shiasi. Bema be on its 9 a mouse shiasi. And he said, Oba settle on life partner. But he said, this is a long time journey. This is a long time journey. A quiet wapa. So if you want to settle on a lifetime partner, look beyond looks. Yeah. Say radio or talk, radio or hips, radio na body your food, radio a cocoa, radio a theater. And no, it doesn't matter. Yeah, I was the red flags. There are things a counselor always keeps saying. Say there are things which mean correct if any person practice it for 21 days. A period of 21 days, so which mean practices are there you can't change them. And see, Obana and anyone who say there are certain red flags be on one me patch up my dream koso. Bemana and it is or red flags be on my dream and koso. Do not overlook that red flags. Man can say, oh, say, please and please again. Red flags, there, chasse, was sending so pan. What did the agra that shall grow with you? Yeah, I need to want to know what you attempt. Boy, you want to know what to sabo. In your mind, can you say, oh, see, sometimes people look very beautiful. I mean, their relationship look very nice outside, but inside, then they suffer. Please, oh, please, sister, do not stay with an abusive boyfriend or the raw arema. It will worry you. Bra, go away and there, what channel? Also, their channel. Watch now, what channel? With that channel. Onon kwa mema be num watching sound that could be ace. Oh, bra, that could be ace. With the fan check, your home with that check, yashay, wakoba, wakojiba, that, wakoyesi with that channel, ubenya ace. Dako. So, what I'm trying to say is that, see, choosing a life partner, a very crucial moment in everyone's life. Do not joke with them. Forget that I can't say, I may be joking. But the most important thing, I'm very serious here. Choosing a life partner, you should not take it for granted. Hey, get it, no fool. Me and I come and say, yeah, what the difference between Ogeni, hey, Ogeni, Ogeni, Chabu me boy. Yeah, what difference between Sanyo Mano, Ogeni. Oh, Sadiano. Ogeni. Ha, Ogeni. Hey, Ogeni. Yeah, what difference between Sadiano? I know you're Kuala yes, but as a matured person, I am ready. So person will be Bob Brano. Yes, yes, Sadiano. Yes, the level of any part of maturity. Senya usifa reacted to certain thing. Osha nipa we ubeti na bobra, mo beti na che or your boafo. It doesn't matter nejumo yo. I keep telling people. Say me sometimes forget about your degree or whatsoever. Say nipa no tonka ko ojom. Now she know your boafo. Settle on with the person. You understand? I'm not here to give you I can't say I'm not a counselor. But this is our motivational message today, this morning. And I hope I am communicating. My fan is serious. I hope also fan is serious. Do not settle with the wrong person. Don't overlook red flags. Attempt the day, and you may be a home fata. Na send na for me or madam for be Mustafa and a girlfriend for a year. My bomb di me no nya. Obi si on visa o mo giant na nya hwese ma bomb di. Say obi wade ozongwa for zia betontoma. Hey, I am from the fan of Kobi kwa invite the kra obi ko tontoma ni bi. Sa fe madam for no wa take us kafo omu ba no dwane. Afo so the garden travel so bo akra. Ye be siesi mo be satra. That's time uncle phobia and tomato. That was just on a lighter note. Next time, uncle phobia. Now, what for the bebo? Your
so Famuko, na yarbe to Muntumgra. Yes, soon be baby. Yabesim we yana.
Brakwesi, me kunu pnia na epne se memfa ni nkoni kromo. Wo ko ni malaria tete ne dodo.
Oh, I've one herbal capsules and a mixture. Ebubu yare go for me monte. And de ade asiemu. Se ban koko yare ade a edura ohia ne Ava one herbal capsules. Ebu adwuma pa. Na na mixture me kira Ava one herbal mixture study. Malaria suro no kokokoko. Etu malaria se. Wenum wato. I want to do. Umpo mo ayemre. Bobi Omodo so nya na drugstores any herbal shops. Your number 05544800062. Ava no ye ALVA. Edro nya mapemfo. Nyoma ne benufo. Ene abofra ondi fie dumienu. Wo ye malaria test. Na say positive. We durani ava one herbal mixture. Wa akimoda open dudu etu a. Ubehu omo pepiasa mpedu. Omo Akim State College junction ne so. Abu Main Road ne so. Ubenye biso ato a for drugstore. Kenop Pharmacy. Ochiniba drugstore. Akim State so. Bosome Pharmacy. And Achime Wisasu KB drugstore. Ava one herbal capsules nene mixture. Peking crime. FDA. Aji ejedi enkra toyatu.
Mido, asa na di fia ehrampao.
Ha, eye ban 20 ena ma efia ehwehwe hwamsa no.
Eno so ye supira na.
Eye JA Binding and Co Limited. Ena wo mo de sa nyoma we nyina badwa so. Enye no nkwampo na wo ho medu so to ho no mo no. Enyoma ni se bebre.
Niema bi te se dan na wo ho.
Ban zo ne nansen kwada nyoma eni ate se wan. Eye parazo enu ana me de sie.
Mido, me fan fitira apoto bi de ni nyina afro. Na ade ba de na ahohura potobidi isi
eya akasha no na me de atu apopo bibre nyina se no bia papa pata susu nyina eso atese wan no
nansen awowo ni nyina mpayila uhu awowo bia wo fie ha bi
medeta wo eya JA Binding Snake Reparent na me de atu o masesa no
enu omo wo niema papa
ban liquid soap na se wodidi wi amede ma wa horo wo nsen uhu ana ai enu aso na me de wo horo nchasi
ene we die medi adanse akira mansan fa no mo wo
jeban wo mo nioma no ubenye bi ato wakuma se takra de tamale ho sunya ne nkokọ wabu ase boga odan Ghana Commercial Bank enedi enemuhye se wo panido so pomu atua ubenye bi ewo Kasua Winneba Road ho ankasa na factory no esie
ma me number no na mfa nkoma ko nyima no
0242 771 650 and now 0247 576 643.
Medofo, now so mudi ni body say.
Eye JA Binding and Co Limited.
Ja, me drew ho sesia.
Mothers, you be show love, Pepe you deserve. On this Mother's Day, Sunday 12th May, Moonlight Pop alongside the Bill's Restaurant. A certain Lukama, the Bekono Sunday special live band for mothers inside Moonlight Pop. Winning the dance, live band in the Moonlight in Swa, Young Conqua, they deal with that down at the Bill's Restaurant in Riani Pay. A Betty, Ubefani laugh, Fugo Tungwine, Bushmeat, or Chia Grantia Kusie, Wako Tom, and Chia dry fish, catfish, point and care, Tilapia Benkusil, Tosafi green, rare quine, or baby, your mother, Brabedi, a benquine catia, a punepunu, a mutioko contempanie, continental bang, fried rice jollof, a kukokotoko to swa, a mater of the Bill's Restaurant, Bema Watene there, and over 8 shop, na a set Sunday Mutual Special, to me activity before 10. Make us say, live bench, no more giddy, all night long, na moonlight in Sapayan so flow. I tell you, for 4 Mutual Special, so every Sunday, so Mother's Day way, Sunday 12 May, or Moonlight Pop, oh, mothers, be there.
Hi, you're from your foreman. Mejuma Sweni, inti obia pemasem. Sa wudi wajuma shaminsa. Mesha se, wisika enko waste. Inti, me tomino meni na free jump trading enterprise. Mr. Mensa, ana, chairman Mensa chain. Enti sa wupe cement, gasem, diamond, ana se, simaf. Ningina, ubenye bi ato, Mr. Mensa, ana chairman Mensa chain. Open nadwa, all inches, iron rods, 16mm to quarter rods, POP, plaster balls, kenoff, papa pan. Fiber, set tinting anatetia, open barrels, center panels, corner moldings, wall angles, plywood, bind wire, ana empo, opa butchery paints, home champ, big and as a small size. Ningina, ubenye biatowo, Jump Trading Enterprise, Mr. Mensa, anasa chairman Mensa chain, or Wakameni Junction, on Ejaji and a Dinshanim, friend 0208 123 872, and 0244 566 880. Jump Trading Enterprise, Mr. Mensana, what's a bra, Nani Buono, edit that form.
didn't realize her. Oh, Mr. Q, family be wife. My wife will go many more. Mr. Q, they say, take it easy. As a word for the how can I take it easy? Ojam, Nibusa, a man saying, and Mukunum, Atoka, my woman. Never Kotoka, and Monogam, after Nipetimachi, ever you show. Woman, if Rabana, and yet here, compare me, Mr. Q, Bibanum, Nami Husa, may your bar. Now, man, putting no be firewood, a true dear here, and no one say, why am you said you sure to what was the call? Ojam, we don't know you. Is that a petrapa? And I saw Banus what you come. How? Woman, you said the Padina, and I said, it don't know the house of firewood. When you, Kunlun Ghana Limited at Aroma, but then Mr. Q, Abbey, I didn't know what's out shop and come no did our mean. What did I say? Jibiconum, a sa wako heba, chemical, and a pharmacy, do also a wako Kunlun Ghana Limited.
Our down call LB Amwafu, the Netrumesi, Kennedy Drugstore, Well Green Pharmacy, Mama Doris was asking for Sue, Francis Mesa was asking for Sue, Frank and Doctor Pharmacy were a Sukuma of Ben Brakwa, unable to afford Kulum pay for 0504 906665 and 0545 906665.
Thank you, because you must say, I like that.
FD Ashosha Sa Ejedi and Krato Imu Aja to Muse Eye.
The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day. The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
I still can't believe this. Can't believe I can't take control of myself. Baby. Makoma boy, me bang bang bang. Me friend, I said me now my own corner me kosun. Baby. I got Mr. Playboy dear. Keep sending me who about makoma boy me bang bang bang. But this feeling is so different. What reason will I give my heart if I should let you go, baby? Cause I wanna know you. And sweetie, because I'm in the wedding, come walk into baby. I show me so sad to see me. Yeah, oh my God, I said I will love you. Girl, I wanna marry you. Cause girl, I can't live without you. Cause you're the one, yeah, the only one, yeah, my diamond girl. I wanna be with you forever, 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 forever. I wonder if your father was a thief, or someone stole the stars from the sky and blew them in your eyes. Girl, I'm not saying things just to flatter you, but every bit of what I say comes from within my heart. So just tell me why. What do you read? Can me move your friend in Manuel Popo? On Sakama Kuma Shasani, so man can't try my but to me, I can't idea. But me 3 points. What reason will I give you my heart if I had let you go, baby? Cause I know I love you. I know I love you. And the spirit, met him in the wedding, come marry. I came in here and so better you. And mommy, boy, I'm manager to say, I will love you. Girl, I wanna marry you. Cause girl, I can't live without you. Cause you're the one, you're the only one, you're my diamond girl. I wanna be with you forever. Darling, now what can be a samima? It's a midnight, so I won't die and go on. Tipping a summer, then I sabi be, but I'm a soul. Cause girl, I wanna spend the rest of my life on you.
Are you ready? Oh, but worry me, Anna.
The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
Why I'm ready? Wanna me back on one now. I worry and a quiet tintin. Why ready Anna? Man is your son, you go me home. All dark house and be a tremia. And was someone saying you not do your pass and Madonna keke. Nakuma move on to me on bedome pepe. Memma about for from Masanicata. Ensure the magic come and a den. You are the only one for me. I will do the same what you're doing for me. I'll never leave you alone, baby. So baby, marry me, marry me, marry me. Yeah. Are you ready? Oh, worry me, Anna. Or dark when see on the tintin. When they me back, oh, Anna. Why you ready? When they me back, oh, Anna. I worry and a quiet tintin. Why you ready, Anna? Are you ready? Oh, worry me, Anna. Or dark when see on the tintin. When they me back, oh, Anna. Why you ready? When they me back, oh, Anna. I worry and a quiet tintin. Why you ready, Anna? When you not come and propose it. Nyaka nese me focus. Me from me na for phone you toasty. Or do you mean for me my post? We don't know your public my lucky. Say order to me Jimmy and sauce. From me I would the me do ya. Na me I would the won't come on dancing na me try won't hold ya. Me feel that yeah.
Have a blessed day.
Are you ready?
Baby, move wanna be a maggie boom. Let's have it. Opinion when I can try, go figure out that's a check in it. But I'm an hour, one camera, for onion for a man. The better man, if you know the man, the check it about if you know the man, the better man, if you know the man, the check it about if you know. Okay. Show the whole town. Renata or the Mufua, Mubisa, Obochomu, Huna, Yehua, body needs to be your Kozuna, while lay along here and pay in a Pawana, John. She baby, baby, where you heavy hate we do. Makasa, Namo for my baby take Kiku, and you make Ufu the Yamasha Shawa Muhu, and the Mohu, 1 on 1 no more than my shoe, Shamaka high, sweet, Naka hello, your papa was street, your rare flexible ghetto, Moana Maji, my one to mellow, your try with some mixing over Santi yellow, most of woman physical, my chama mammy there, when you superstar visitor, you know what you try to get.
Have a blessed day.
I will like and I will better if I'm not a second. This is my motto, so my any somewhere.
So Adina Kitty, call this one man. But my guy was saying, you made the Keshabi Pan because na a Calvary Methodist Church Asafo. They are quite a war at Chemodan, Duke's Filling Station at Chiho. Na you made the Airbus about a year almost 20th anniversary. Enti Achem Oda Diocese Bishop Right Reverend Isaac Kwame Boateng Onono the late chairman and our face of brother Dr. Isaac Danzo, very Reverend Kingsley Safo Kwatin, your Senate Secretary and a minister in charge, Reverend William Boache Sapon, and the leaders of the church together with the congregation of the Calvary Methodist Church invite all to their 20th anniversary celebration. Woma to the that's all, and the team at that's on discipleship, celebrating 20 years of the goodness of the Lord and growing into Christian maturity. 80 NIA team at that's all. A part of activities are one of the say Ebeko floats on 25th May. Memenda 25th May. Afima one Ebeko floats. Obechimo me and the Afa Kromo Nigeni Ade. Now for your born money at the Nam Street in Israel. And now for your very special Thanksgiving service on Sunday, which is 25th May 2024 at the Calvary Methodist Church behind the Dukes Filling Station. Continue 9 o'clock a.m. prompts. Na Yasha Sianza. Shannon said chairman for the day, Honorable William Akwesi Japan Kwetu, and Okasama for and as a speaker. There be Okasama for your speaker. Near Obekasa. Right Reverend Isaac Kwame Boateng, minister in charge, and a guest, invited guest, Honorable Nanaya Osafomafo, Honorable Ales Akwesi Akwa, Honorable Victoria Edu, and our for inso Obrempong Jemfi Safwa Tosno, or your Kronti Hine, Kotoku traditional area. Shannon says Sadano, Biabesha White, and I just say to the Calvary Methodist Church, World Dukes Filling Station, 20th anniversary, and the preparatory. So come one, come all, join us to praise the Lord. Now for Yamanya Kupo who said, why am I not filming nano? It's been 20 years at Calvary Methodist Church and by Dukes Filling Station. 18. I am a boom, I am Chimo, I am Prapra, Young Court Jam Trading Enterprise, Mr. Mason, and of course, your bomb Mr. Mason, just boy from Guan, 7 years, come on. Mr. Mason, Chirac, watch him or down, send ya with him down our company junction, and Banner dance here, whom your mabity says cement. He said, Nadwa, iron rose, POP, plasterboards, fiber, center panel, corner moldings, marine boards, Nina. Mr. Manson was so calling Jam. If I show a car or Honoma, the Albert to be Albert Timmy Edia Kujao. So of France, I rebin Quanta, Jobie, Manamase, when she maybe I will be out to be on the patcho, so open. So, but to a dance here, whom your man will for a quality there. And they recommend to you the best place or one stop shop or just a Honoma. Episode to be an Obedia Jam Trading Enterprise, Mr. Mason, our company junction on the Jaji and the Dean Shenemo. The show friend was 0208 123 872 0244 566 880 0208 123 872 0244 566 880. Idroya Center. Yenya kan Idroya na hu sampa. Idro de yapa. Obaya so ya the helps numina. Ena ya de saya rianza. Bra na yamfa Idro nkan. Na ya rian yentu asienti say koko. Malaria, a 3D area, typhoid. Then you now buy the Durube count, diabetes, pressure, affiliational STDs, a whole bit is a gono, syphilis, and a white. Then you now buy a soya. You were well qualified doctors and nurses who saw her. Or more at the Durube count. Shannon so say the pure herbs. Yanya, a profudro, asem yaho, and the numina, and I take a cambo in the BCC in the idea. Now I can't join you, be money at the attribute you if you saw that. Beaucoup de takas as a tribute free from the other chese. They saw ya ranza. We patch you watch him as Swedro, Achim Swedro Road, a Peony Junction. our direct opposite handset beauty salon. And Dibra Edroya Bus Center. Na yam fe durun kam. Mr. Offer was 0599419321. 0599419321. Mepa Mother's Day here Mother's Day and I will call. I'm a man fella. Winnie baby ako. I may say Mother's Day. Winnie baby ako. Nemon baby a chasha will call. I level 360 pop. 10 year pa. Maybe a chasha with the woman call. Maybe a chasha will call now. Mama mini Philly. Say I'm pa. Time. I level 360 pop. Now level 360 pop. Say your man, I will for any J. Kusia there be and the Shannon song says Sunday way. Yeah, ball live band. Yes, a sound feed ye be brave. I be good level 360 pop wall. I can say, Eno, I will. I mean, should I saw the Abasasi so. I will why be brave. The Amaya. I will know why am I and the bro adrenaline tears so. Mama, I'm more. If I remember level 360 pop. But tenacity, you try to why I chim or down. Your mantra, we don't do a mantra. CSC Junction, so I don't see a signboard. Is west so light, it's so blue, not so yellow, not so green, not so red. It's so light as why. I'm on me remove. I'm on me make live band music. I'm on me make a journal. Nah, I'm me marry na money cook. Be near the idea. What I say? I free and you be ashe. Bobrim. And our friends will say, be our open home. Now, open baby, I a Jumediano. Open baby, I your birthday. Open baby, Eddie Jumebia F. Level 360 a be a pong at the amount of Sebra. Nah, Emperor Preacher need to craft a man. My patch of was 0540-535777. 0540-535777. Open church, will be a chimney, my friend 0540-535777. Level 360. Oba, if you have a cost to come upon the amount. So, Mother's Day, with you. Wow. And I go preacher. Mawuli Fruit Tooth Ventures. Op excavator, the did you maybe up bulldoze. Construction be away, we a miner. Now, op excavators a hodo P. And the deal with Jumana, Mawuli Fruit Tooth Ventures Zebra. Now, you were a quick mind things a hodo. Idea construction and mining. You'll be brave away, I swear. And see, yes, a bra, now your baby and rental. Halfway, you made the idea with the open canopies, open mattress, open kunyanya dear. Mawuli Fruit Tooth Ventures Zebra. Now, the baby for property near the come up. Ye chila kwine watch him swabe at him wenchi. Friend was 0541470857 and 0200787889. Mawuli Fruit Tooth Ventures will serve you the best. Yamasing call a from Pond Enterprise now for the council and some country come on. From Pond Enterprise, a shop Cassia Pan watch him Yet on provisions, yet on cosmetics, yet on drinks, yet on electrical accessories. Your shop about our mandarina who tell us here Bobra hard episode to be a baby. After I couldn't not storyboard in the opposites. The electrical shop on so call a OG and Bank to filling station where your drink shop on so hall and the drink episode to be a baby. More than about Chamadan New Market and so on. The patch of brand new market. When you do new market, pay or also your shop on the back or hall. And in the upper side to be alone from Pond Enterprise Sebra. After you call a Absa Bank and Opsita. Absa Bank Opsit. The shop for front of a Juma 24/7. Cosmetics, provisions, stationaries, drinks. Electrical accessories near the Nina, when you be our shop for now. Mr. Oborem, now company auto opeso to be a 24/7 shop. Yeah, just a yampon, your boy Juma Tambia. 0244897525 0206473953 9530242111236. Yeah, Connie and the counselor and good income on. And the counselor Edwin Boahen and Kong Yanko Prapreche. Before counselor Bebano, I remember our last Philabina Fay Yan Prapreche. It's in OD Media. OD Media. My patron, I catch one say open TV at all, open air conditioner at all, open washing machine, and a ceiling fan, rice cooker, and blenders, and the UPB at all. Then my music and song. Yes, a brand never treaty. Now I spread that can for 3 months. The tree at TV now open air conditioner now open call AOD Media. The patron check one way at Shim or down Quantenum MTTU, the Up City Honoma, and Ubehuyan. OD Media, yeah, they are. Yeah. The fare was 0550 900 600 0550 900 600. Na try on two say na afa yenko say na ye counselor enkodi enkomo na afa yen property. Now it's my catcher say and then conflict resolution in the marriage and relationships. A kwambe na offer to solve problems with your partner. Or no boyfriend, a kwambe na mo solve more problems. Or no wife, a kwambe na mo fast solve more problems. And I'm a country earlier and say, I go for bebre, almost so bebre na ni me pacho eka. Titu ni mano. Bebre na ni me pacho kan. It's no or try ni ku afraid me ba no achida ko dwale. Aka be dia. Aya. Sa and a boy sleep bebre na obeka me pacho kan da. Now, so should romance be near the hour hand back home and one of almost of problems. No, Councilor Quava.
Yeah, Quabra.
But you'll be able to go.
Yamia to be able to go. In Sonimuna or
here, and the parliament at Toycagra.
They will come to me. What I didn't want
to Sana Brina almost of own problems.
It's how
I will my own, and I'm going back and one as I'm not dying.
I'm not dying. Bola Suja, I'm from my idea. From Ban, I go to back.
Oh, when any day, Empire be European. Oh, Casa, I look at some with the chill. And I'm my fine chill. And you are just one back open one for what is sure.
That's a free. Or train the right time. No, not the chill. Good. Mammy, no, be asking, I mean, Chia or Piana. I got send them more than so a cacra. Yeah, Munapan, on your mom, but I know Cata reaching at here, but you're ready reaching a crana, you're ready reaching. Now, come now, and that topic now, I will see and can watch a conflict resolution in marriages and then relationships. Yes, send you can, what can I say? One band of Fasone said you. Ukunu anawo yere nya wona na etwempena no center one tawa bi ba sakasakasa ne ba eya kwan be na mo fa so a mo sesi mu ntem anawo de oni be mani nya tawa na that is the end of the road oni ababa wan nya akasakasa na no na what say no go away eno anu no we say ni pani dia then I have bet because why because there is no perfect person. One in the core relationship ma obeka me say onye adia ebehye wobufu ana onye adia ompe. Definitely the person will step on your toes, and if or step on your toes, how do you handle those issues? And then I'm say me no ye share na ye kan one now kwa areas need dia etabe entawantawa ana kasa etaba. But let's look at one or two areas that you can say kasa beginner so far. Because one area is custom, and then when you come you catch someone.
The problems about
yes, sika ni fia and I'm Akan Kasiebo sika ofia kwalansi tanyani ofia kwalansi I get you yes sika ni fia a whole lot of argument will be bar a tane katakasa a besi one major problem of this conflict and our katakasa ne sika say ye school fee see a day tobiane see a day hand dying say a day ye project see a day ye say sika e be twitwa ho se kwabena se binni ho a toda and as a men ka say toda e di akasakasa bebre eba oba nya sunjie e na be man so nya sunjie ade ante say yen to kwakwa na afia dane to kwa ade ante say nke jinsem na afia jinsem why because the money is not there. The man is trying as much as possible to provide for the family oba ne yen afam die bia so de beba but the discipline is sita e toda o kasampoa babra you say you be hunubi. This is what goes on. It is neither your fault, this cannot need you. But who would understand you? Why the better was here, who see you cannot need you? I get you. Now, one area also, make one here. You, your character, your own character, your personal behavior. There be a third issue that CSR Bapar. But now, in one faith, send any planet born and bravo. Sabi ebi awa no nim to say na was here after no what then you want the throw is the person the trait of the person the character you soon in the buy kutano no but now we are rough the bia obeka watem the bia dia kasakasa beba the bia obemwa ni pabonini. These are areas a target in akasakasa ba. The next one I want to talk about is emufra the nyame wa dom na emufra ba awade ni mu a emufra eba mu a famna me say betumi di obi atemane aka tense wu di ni eti so papa sabi menim se what is that in the da
ati bebre
o sabi o kwasi ya te so papa o te so ma me pepe difference bi ani wa man ni papa ni bu ofu no. These are some of the comparisons that omoye emufra ne aya ade bia know how to handle it. And what you say ready or ya mufra, say no the level of your thinking, your wisdom, your knowledge, and so no. It is why you be an answer to ya. How do you handle it rather than casting names? Or the a whole lot. These are some of the areas and as I said, I will link the money to responsibility. I will not say only money responsibility. I said here, our daily man and Francis Moa will be a just on who say, where the Bethany are ye. Now, my and Francis and our dear Nakunin. Now, say, baby, no, what's up of one and might be at the Bermuno at Toda at the Akasakasa in Yama the Kurita Eba. Yes, Obani, only not nothing, will be a just today. Sakrase and Maya Diabwa. Them as what just today. Sakrase na megi mehena miso medi aboa na pie bebi no ba ko pese o kirete oni nyansa sen ne nyonko babra oni te bebi a o ma ponchi achi e de kasakasa bebi entokwa asabe ensesenka eba no ene de beba na that notwithstanding then ye ni prayer ya dia tumse ye ni prayer e ko wo ye ho tinto wo ye ho a ye ko fa obi a ono so ye nse de ni mu no ono no nim no ho but ye de yense de nim no ene ye say ye pese ye ne da asumati no ebo bra de ye sita ye ne da asumati no ebo bra ene ye se bibisi a enye ye de ana bibisi a enche da enkoye maye no kwabna how do we handle those things and then ye break and watem into medical church and nyoma na ni so into how do we solve problems of such kind say a conflict resolution now. How are we going to solve issues? Obane Bemano, come out to me do baby and to one of our won't mean pata. Oba Kupusa and to Panasino. Pamela, if you are name, you, Beman is only 3 feet in Mufamano. Obane said, I will see ya. We'll see idea as a come out. Pamela, no. you ask me Baba was this Komo, yes, about 60 years of age or so on any father and quantity. And we put on and say, okay, the issue between on any father and any man, a fine banner, a fast so a buy any other. But now it is about food. As some man make a shame. Up to down, the woman regrets. But now a piano, Obani was the car, but we have told you and no more. But it's unsaid. Santia, Siena, Manachiane, and then will lose somebody so dear to him. Oh, sorry, hey, a Gianeke, a Gianemeka. Sometimes some of the fights that happens in the house, a boy, but not one friend and rat, one friend and rat, with the problem, ever got to the sense, I think, what is it have to be meaning with chat? One frekeke, Ubia and a machine, last week, I can't watch them, Ubia and a machine, Nana Maya Watum, Na, or said Katasu. This is the first thing they did. W. Now, went to me and Fred and Ra. One, two, was just there. If you are not phone, phone, I say. And if I talk about the phone, and I say. And I say, this is my friend now. Why wouldn't you give me that attention? Would you remember how? I would tell you, answer. Now, draw conclusions. When you draw conclusions like that, how can we handle issues like that? It's because there may be some kind of pain. When we talk about conflict resolution now, I dare about a healthy argument. I dare about a kind. Say, and get on piano, Yankasa and Tokana and Mao. But the bar, how do we handle it? And Tokape said, my ben a fast why you Quine Ben a faswa, yep. Quine Ben a faswa, your Maya Casa and Eba. If the American says, when I talk about a healthy argument, the disagreement, I didn't hear, but how do I handle it? How do I approach you in telling you that a dear is seeing a yamia? Yes, a dear point, no one tell me about. But say, Adiana is seeing, I am a yapa. The person may come once, the person may come and both once. Come now, that so that over to me know why you will be at this. All kinds of stuff we have will tell you. But the real big piano no actually same what you know. But that's what you now have to see for. But what am I saying? Go. And sometimes some of these things are able to transform you yourself. But as some of it being a no coming. Who's not now one for only what them. But the person is going straight into the issue. The argument now make the argument based on what has happened. On mind. I didn't know any ya. We are going to come back again, but on yes, any panic. And so go direct to the issue and will make you feel how he or she is feeling. I give a question, go to the issue, tackle the issue as it is. Can I send it here? Then person what is that online? Manipulating with that, a course, I know what it. Stop the attitude and stop the nagging. Let the person understand that I feel we of course, I know what it. So some of the healthy arguments now make us exit really. They're making an active listening. I am the power. That cast I am the power. Say, you pay attention to whatever the person is saying. Active listening. And look, what I am here. The Okona Obane Kasa, not them and Kasa. You really be like, it is a wine I mean,
Obi a Canada.
Yes. Obani every boom, Beman super boom. How do we solve the problem? It will be a canon who thinks it clear. Now, for when you're Pabana became, woman is your room. But we didn't solve the problem. And you'll be and a buy kae ɛna wɔtwam na ɛna ahomete mmɔfra wɔ fie hɔ anuguaseɛ bɛba ɛno nti sɛ ni sɛ na afei ɛbi nkɔda ɛna ɛyɛ ne ebi wɔ papa yɛasɔ bɛrima ne nsa ne yɛde no apiri yɛte fa saa de gu kɔn na pɛ baabi fa kwabena wode saa de gu kɔn na wopie na wokɔ a woasɔlve problem you never solve the problem no the problem was never solved but they are separate no trend above. But what we are saying, if you want to solve issues of such kind, that's all person will solve now solving here. As someone buy no, they so my baba want a coin. Na onsu enfan kanasem. They say my baba want a coin. Na onsu many soon in teno no fan kasa. My branch and a coin. Na on sending some that is the way I bet you just solve a problem. I didn't win a handle and all come with them. Also, drink from them. Also, to turn assembly. Daddy, over there, your person all can I say. And when we are talking about how to solve issues, please let's pay attention to the issue. Let's give ears to the people. At the end of the year, for one. Obana okofa na onye slave ono so adwini woni tirim ono so wo moja te se wa se be mama na ozo ne to no oye din a no nchete bi bia no be di won ho so se da obe din na no eye ti mi kakra eye man na waso na won kakakra mu na so tie aso me ta bia bi wo ho a kwa enkoye ma but you don't talk about it it is saying that here na so what be sin as here. And don't be a mind reader for the person. As a man, can use a hand of but most of the time when you meet the boys, and now when you meet the men, you will cut a attacker. We love those statements very well. Yeah, a man they won't talk on about what higher your person. Then we conclude for them. Who told you I don't person have you given ears? I want to say no. I didn't affecting for baby and it's a young maybe all command. Maybe all because it is going to affect 2, 3, 4 people. It's why do we do that? Why do we tend deaf ears when they are talking, when they are showing up their grievances? I thought I had to be. If you want to solve problems, they say, manason. Manin kasa na tie no ma on fa sunin kasa na tie no sa amono won kwa won yi anu ye bia an wo de twaso what tie na wie then later you go in to explain yourself and some before fan twimfa no so and some before fan twintram no that is not the best way but wo tie ni wie na won how you handle it then you go back and then speak your also a version of the story. This is an effective way to solve a problem. Now the way it can't, One intent no. Who is going to listen to the other person? And this is another way we can help solve issues such like that. And that is it. Then the second way, a respectful tone. But I'm for the work problems of that, you know.
Emma. Me agenda bias.
Oh, okay. We agenda bias. Me funny. Better than me, man. Come now. If you bet. I bet no. As I said, we put in Kenko school. Then money bomb back. You see, why the real young bet. The one 3 years, as I'm going to be near one on cat. You want to how? International Shobani, who are a good action and respectful tone. Obane Kasa, Adianampa, Obiadi to them and Adia and Wanyadi, and Okre. And I will come once. And I will come of agenda by a jampa. Obetia Katana or Bonington, or Bonington Cram out. Things that will even provoke you. On a woman also move, and you are expecting her to kind of bring issues out. But the tonation or the cannot summon. Then man tonation or the cannot summon. And then why I say you are nobody on this earth. Yes, you make you feel like you are nobody. But now the next one I want to talk about. Down. I know they are not. If you think we want to solve the problem in the house, at the end of the year, yes, some problem. But now they are for a year. Focus on the furniture own team. Don't worry. Sadiano, one way out to that for support. Why can you say, but now can't submit channel? But then Mr. Put on the phone and won't hear me. Not dream of it. He said, give me the graph on my volume. When you have played our custom, no. You know. Oh, see, or Chakunani, and then the old team, or Kutafono, and one million so. Then it said that come now, yes, yeah. Okay, so we are, but I even on Tata. Who count a min area or question your material?
What we?
Thank you, Namisrao. After I think so, without say, well, you know, Obia or Bia or Becatro. No, sorry. Savia or Codin what the answer and no one won't teach you. This is not an effective way of solving problems. Mr. Stonewalling attitude, whereby we turn deaf ears to our partner's issues. Mr. Tiefo, and moi, who are a same national. We are Nipa, Casanipa. As someone honey panicking or Cata. So why do you turn ears and deaf ears to the issue? Why do you turn deaf ears to the issue? If you think you want to solve the problem amicably, Mr. or Casta, for what soon as I can, which we are, respond. Obetemenka, or the Mati, the who say how, it's Mati, or the Obetemenka. Now, come now, what I'm on apologies and forgiveness. The whole manka and then coming out. Apologies and forgiveness. Yes. Yes, in the best way, a better solve problem. These are half issues. As somebody free, I come and I can't want them. Sister, say you have offended her. Brown say what's young now? What's young now? But Nigeria friend. So being an also Katana middle. Why see, yeah, babe. Is it a member of the phone now than in Bala? Babe, Mr. As someone okay, I'm part of you. Mr. Fatchet. But the member of the person in the between of what you almost said, some of what say. These are the kind of things they do to solve problems. Can you say time can count you? A mother boy, maybe I know what other cat over the me free I saw power. The cat come from an aside with you, and you want the relationship to be as peaceful as you have been seeing others. As somebody says here now, who himself would give for on anything or no one can want someone. It is still the power show. Ampa, my yard. Mr. We didn't see you. You need part. Tell me how you need part. It is such a nay and twasso. A your dasm. A yana the fumo. And you'll be under the fumo. No one man will say, Ampa. I didn't watch that if you are women. I did see me and yet, and yet, dear boy, pilot. And now, dear sir, you've been a man, be a scene. Then we talk